So I asked my followers to send me edits, and today we're going to be rating them. But before we dive into it, I just want to let you guys know that this video would not be monetized, meaning I would get a total of $0 due to the copyrighted music and these edits. I could just mute it, but I want you guys to enjoy the video. So the least y'all can do is show some love by smashing that like button and subscribing to help the channel. Alright, let's not waste any more time. I got some fire submissions, and it's time to see what y'all sent.
Hey, bitches know that I'm peeing, I'm thugging, I'm still in the street. If he run up out in the league.
The first submission comes from Tavis. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but he said, I switched to AE in like January, and I've learned a lot from you. I bet. Roll the clip.
Man, I can't complain. Yo, first class game. Too much money came. Bought a new chain. Ignorant ways. Ignorant is a bitch. Say no hesitate. That is not okay.
Alright, so overall the edit is not bad. There is some things that I would reconsider if I was the one editing this video. And one thing that I can just say straight up is that the sound effects are a little too loud. Too loud to the point where they're kinda distracting. And also a lot of the sound effects don't really match what is on screen. If it had more transition, it would just look more put together. But overall though, I'll give this edit 3 stars out of 5. I really like the edit. The next submission is from Reese.vn, and they said, Juan, rate this one and tell me what you think. What should I work on?
We turned off that street, we heard sirens. Sense of juvenile, I've been wildin'. Chrome hard jeans got.
Yo, this edit is actually perfect. It's perfect for its style. I really liked it. So far, this is my favorite. The only thing I do wish was a little bit better is the quality. Now, I'm sure the original quality was actually good. I downloaded this from their Instagram, so they sent me their actual post, so I just downloaded it like that. I would definitely rate this a 5 out of 5 star edit. I really like it. I really love the style. Like, I low-key want to remake this.
We turned off that street, we heard sirens. Sense of juvenile, I've been.
The next submission is from Winful7, and they said, I've been following you for a long time now. Alright, kept it short. I guess let's take a look.
Come on, Peter Tingle.
I really like the tinted look that you put in some frames. This was more of a velocity type edit, but the velocity is actually really smooth. I'm sure they use like Twixtor or something. The coloring is amazing, no pun intended. And overall, the edit was just really good. I would give this edit 4 stars out of 5. Definitely not a bad edit. The reason I'm not giving it 5 stars is because it could have, like, I don't know how to explain it, just a little bit more, a teeny tiny bit more, and I definitely would have made it 5 stars. Hey, hello, if you're an editor and you're watching this and you want to become a better editor, I actually have a Patreon where I do tutorials, watch me edit, breakdowns, and other things editing related. If you guys are interested, my Patreon link will be in the description. Now back to the video. The next submission is from Sania.vfx. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. I'm really bad at pronouncing usernames or just names in general, so my bad if I pronounce anybody's name wrong. But they said, I've been following you / watching you on YouTube since 2020. Here's an edit I did with your style combined with mine. I'd love for you to rate it.
You can't save our body now. Smoking hella weed, I'm on that alcohol. The shawty lick me clean the way she sucked me off. Keep 2 hoes in my bed, I got them turned now. What would you do if you had it? I got it burning.
Alright, first of all, I see that intro. I don't know if you watched my tutorial, but if you did, shout out to you. Also, you said you've been watching me since 2020, which I appreciate the love. However, I'm not gonna keep it easy on you, okay, buddy? I'm just kidding. Well, no, I'm not kidding, but so basically, right, I saw this edit, and no offense, it kind of looks like a mobile edit. Like, look, no offense, like I said. Now, the edit is not bad, but it just looks very 2017, 18 type edit, which is not bad, but I feel like you could do more advanced stuff. Let me just talk about this scene right here in particular and how you could have done it better. So one thing that I can straight up point out is that the text is white and it blends in too much with the background. Yes, there's the drop shadow, which made it a little bit better, but I think it would have looked better if it was like black or even orange to match the cigarette. Also, for being on After Effects, I'm pretty sure you could have found a better cigarette model, and you could have also added a drop shadow just to make that scene stand out a little bit more. I'm sorry, Sanaya, I don't know if that's your name, but I'm gonna be giving this a 1 star out of 5. You can do better, I know you can. The next edit comes from Run Into the Void 69, and they said, "Hi Juan, I love your edits and you're my favorite editor." Oh really? I appreciate it, but you guys being nice is not gonna work with me, so roll the clip. Yo, this edit is actually not bad at all. You stayed with the color scheme, which I think you picked yellow or like an orangey color. I don't know exactly what it is. The transitions were really cool. However, it does kind of give 2019 vibes, but I still think it's really cool. You have a scene where there's a 3D piano. I don't know if you got inspiration from me, but if you did, that's fire. But other than that, I don't have anything bad to say about the edit. Therefore, I'm giving this edit 4 stars out of 5. It could have been a little bit better. I'm not really like surprised or anything, but yeah, it was just a good edit. But that's gonna be the end of this episode. If you want to see more, definitely let me know in the comments, and also let me know by liking this video and subscribing. Also, you can turn that bell notifications so you won't miss an upload. And yeah, let me know. I could really make a series out of this. I've never seen somebody make this on YouTube, so it's definitely original idea. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
I've been on, they ain't living like this, I'm king of the hill. I just be counting my stacks. Don't really fuck with you, I cut 'em off like Bill. Yeah, just like that.